Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Jemyths Window Cleaning Robot, model YW160-YX, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Double Nozzle Intelligent Wet Spray. Our window cleaning robot adopts innovative up and down double spray technology, equipped with 70 ml large capacity water tank, automatic uniform spraying. To achieve comprehensive wet coverage, efficiently dissolve the dirt, reduce the trouble of frequent water replenishment, a maximum cleaning area of up to 40 square meters. 2800 PA super adsorption. Window cleaning robot with 2800 PA powerful vacuum suction, easy adsorption of stubborn stains and dust, to ensure that the glass surface is as good as new, leaving no water marks. To achieve the effect of comprehensive cleaning, window cleaner robot for all types of smooth surfaces, windows, mirrors, glass doors and more place. UPS power outage protection, safe 20-minute battery life. The window cleaning robot has a built-in power outage protection system, which can continue to work for 20 minutes and trigger an alarm in the event of a sudden power outage. Avoiding the risk of the machine falling down, while low-noise operation does not interfere with home life. Intelligent Edge Detection. The window cleaning robot is equipped with AI navigation system, accurately identifying window frames and obstacles, sweeping the edge of the corner, automatically adjusting the cleaning path. Triple Safety Protection Suction Edge Detection, Safety Rope, to solve the hidden danger of working at height. 1-key remote control operation. Window cleaner robot is equipped with an infrared remote control, a simple button to switch the cleaning mode, no need to bend down and laborious. The elderly can also be used easily, so that the window cleaning becomes effortless and efficient. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.